Hello and welcome to another Anonymous Producer tutorial. In this video we're going to be talking about mixer bus routing and how to save time and effort while mixing. So first of all, what is bus routing? So it's basically the idea of having different buses for different sections of your mix. Like, for example, here in this example I have all my kicks routed to one single mixer bus. So these are my 3 kicks and I have them all routed to here, and these kicks actually have layered on top of one another. So in this case it's especially important for me to do this. So this allows me to mix each of these kicks, all 3 kicks together individually. I'll show you, for example, here. It allows me to mix the kicks on top of one another and then route it to one single mixer bus. And then later on, when I'm mixing my entire mix, then all I have to do is adjust only my one mixer track here, which is the mixer bus that has all my other kicks routed to it. So then I'm not adjusting the levels of each individual kick in relation to the entire mix. I'm just adjusting all my kicks together in one single mixer bus here. So it can really simplify things in that situation. It's also good for routing all of your drums to one single mixer bus, and same with all your guitars or all your basses and so on. It allows you to mix all your guitars together in relation to each other, and then after that, when you're mixing your entire mix together, then you can just adjust the volume level of your master guitar bus. And in that way it can save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. And what this also does is it allows you to think of your mix in a different way. Instead of just seeing all these individual tracks, it allows you to think of it in more of a sectioned, broken down way, and it really simplifies the whole idea of mixing. And it can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to applying automation or applying effects. Like if you wanted to add compression to all your drums, then instead of adding the same compression to each individual drum track, all you have to do is add compression to one single mixer bus, and then that saves you a lot of time and effort in that situation. And for automation especially, this is definitely important. If you want to fade out your drums at some point or something, then all you would do is create an automation clip for one single, the master drum bus. And so if you're curious as to how you route the tracks to one single track, it's as simple as just highlighting all your drums or whichever ones you all want to route to a different track. First you create another track and you name it. I'll name it drums. Then I'll move it all the way over. And then now I can just highlight all of these, and then you right click on this little arrow here and then route to this track only. And now all of these drums are routed to this one single mixer bus. Now I can just adjust the volume level of this one single mixer bus to change the volume of all my drums. And then same goes for automation. I can just right click this slider here, create automation clip, and that automates the volume of all my drums together. And then I can add effects here and whatnot, and also EQ if you want to add EQ or whatever effects you want to add. Just really simplifies that whole process and can really speed up your mixing process as well. So hopefully this video helped simplify your mixing process, and please leave a like if this video was helpful to you at all. It would really help me out. And if you have any questions about this, then feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you want to get more videos like this, then make sure to hit subscribe. I'll be posting a new video like this every week. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.